Hey guys, the new ISO is out. Yes, we had to make another one. Out now, Kiro number 12 has landed, so we're still sticking to the date, right? Accessibility was our tip from the users that we are having here on the Kiro discussions. The Kiro ISO is where I want to be. Tell me what's missing, and stuff came out of it, which is good, because it's improvement, right? So accessibility isn't something that we took in consideration already, but on the website, never on basically the ISO. So when you download the ISO, you'll find that we have a new button. SDDM will provide you some help, some assistance. And the button, well, first of all, I did make it this little bit bigger, a little bit, right? So that may show or may not show that it's also brighter. This used to be a little bit more grayish. So this is white, that's something else. Enter your password, right? But if for some reason you say, I'd like to use this, you can. Right? And everybody can now see my password as if they did not know that already, right? But you need to go in there. Cursor needs to be there. And if you click here again, it's back gone, back up. Not this one. That's not working. That's the one from, well, the Qt virtual application. So this is our work that we can up it and down it. All right. So let's just log in and see if it works. I don't have touchscreens, but it's of course super nice if you can do this on a touchscreen. All right, that's an improvement. Accessibility straight out of the box. Boom, SDDM, check. Onboard is the other one. Onboard is a well-known application, but not everybody needs it, right? This is our design, our personal Kiro design. All right, if I make something, I make it appealing. Now, can we move this guy over here somewhere? There must be some kind, this one. Keybinding, and then Onboard. I always type OB, I don't know why. Onboard, there is also a settings one. So if you're making themes, why not make 5 themes, right? So that's the default for us on Kiro. The default actually looks like this. And okay, but right, it's not Kiro. So this is a choice. It was a choice between this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, right? Choose. 5 extra themes just for Kiro, and these are the default guys. An old-fashioned typewriter, all colors, they are still there. Those are the default stuff that you get with Onboard, right? But of course, these ones are better. All right. That's it, right? Improvements, accessibility, making sure that everybody can read, and it stays up here, as you see, little icon that's there now, waiting for us to do stuff. Click, click, right mouse click, hide, preferences, help, quit. All right, enjoy the Kiro ISO.